As it is Black Friday weekend, I thought I'd jump on and do a completely separate video and let you know that Unilite, my main channel sponsor, are having a huge Black Friday deal. As always, you'll get a deal with my code. Use my code MJTIFF below. Whatever deal they've got going on at Unilite at the moment, whether it be 50, 60, 70% off whatever light it is, use my code MJTIFF. It gets you an extra 10% off whatever it is you buy using my code MJTIFF. Now, just to make it even better, whenever you spend over £100 this weekend during the Black Friday deal, you'll get this K550 thrown in for free. Cracking little light, perfect little stocking filler coming up to Christmas. So if you're watching this, go over to Unilite. I'll put all the links in the description below. Go over to Unilite. Whatever they've got going on deal-wise, use my code MJTIFF, get you another 10% off. Massive shout out to Unilite. They've sponsored my channel for 3 years plus now. As a main channel sponsor, they do these mega deals for me. So yeah, go over Black Friday weekend. It might be a little bit longer as well. And use my code MJTIFF, extra 10% off everything in the Unilite deal. Also, while I've got you, can't say fairer than that. I've done you a bit of a deal. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Let's get this channel over 40,000 subscribers by the end of the year.